Hello, everybody. I wanted to share with you today one of my favorite books. I think it is really funny. And it's more fun if you have this book and you're able to touch it, but I'm still going to read it too because I think you're going to find it really funny. So sometimes when I read books like this and they have this plastic cover on, I take them off or I end up bending everything. So this story is called Don't Push the Button. It says, hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. I bet you guys want me to push it, don't you? No. We can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Oops, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and I'm polka dot. Push it twice. Oh! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Look at all of them. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Think that worked? Almost. A little more. Think the Larrys are gone? Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So if you push the button, this is a book that says, so if you push the button, so he's reading what to do. Oh, that tickles. Okay. Much better. Let's not push it again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple pushes. The end. That was a fun book, wasn't it? Don't push the button. Hope you have a good day.